Drop this into your toilet, and it will stay shiny and fresh for months without scrubbing. The secret is in the right mix of ingredients. Take a plastic food bag and place it inside a tall container, securing the edges with a rubber band. In a separate bowl, pour about 3 fluid ounces of glass cleaner. Its formula removes grease, buildup, and leaves a nice shine. Next, add 3 fluid ounces of limescale remover, which dissolves tough deposits and prevents them from coming back. Now add dish soap. It works as a gentle detergent, cuts through grease, and leaves a fresh scent. Pour in about 5 fluid ounces. Finally, add about 2 cups of cold water and mix everything well. Transfer the mixture into the prepared bag and tie a knot. Go to the bathroom, poke a few holes in the bag, and drop it into the toilet tank. Wait about 30 minutes and don't forget to scrub the inside of the tank with a brush. You can also use this mixture to clean the inside of the toilet bowl. After that, just keep using the toilet as usual. With every flush, the water will slowly release the detergents that remove limescale, dissolve buildup, and clean the surface. A shiny, fresh-smelling toilet without daily scrubbing.